Hello student, this is Bhagyashri Kapkar. In this video, we will solve some questions on topic which is chapter number 3 Life Processes in Living Organisms part 2. Number 1, in humans, sperm production occurs in the organ dash. Answer is testes. Number 2, in humans dash chromosome is responsible for maleness. Answer is Y chromosomes. Number 3, implantation of embryo occurs in dash. Answer is uterus. Number 4, body breakups into several fragments and each fragment begins to live as a new individual. This is dash type of reproduction. Answer is fragmentations. Number 5, in order to fertilize ovum in oviduct, the sperm has to travel through the following path. Answer is vagina, uterus, oviduct. Number 6, Pranav and Preeti are twins in our class. In your class, they belong to dash twins type. Answer is dizoitic. Number 7, each cell performs asexual reproduction by dash. Answer is budding. Carrot and radish undergoes dash with the help of their roots. Answer is propagation. Vegetative propagation. Number 9, androecium and gynoecium are dash whole of the flower. Answer is essential. Number 10, flowers without stalk are called dash flowers. Answer is cysaic. 11, dash on the inner surface of fallopian ducts, oviducts pass the egg towards uterus. Answer is cilia. Number 12, pregnant mother supplies nourishment to her fetus through. Answer is placenta. Thank you.